It took place in ancient Rome in 240 AD, and it was insane. Emperor Gordian III organized a massive spectacle to celebrate his victory over the Goths. Over 20,000 gladiators and soldiers fought against a staggering number of wild animals, facing lions, tigers, elephants, and even bears. It was a true test of human versus beast. The battle raged for days with thousands of lives lost. It was a brutal and bloody spectacle. This event remains one of the most incredible yet tragic spectacles in human history. For more amazing facts, hit that subscribe button and follow us for more shorts.